Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about whether or not Deepseek is safe. In order to do so, here we are at the Deepseek website and we're all logged in. However, I can tell you that just a moment ago when I tried to log in, there was a notification of an attack on Deepseek. So the answer to the question whether or not Deepseek is safe, well, like any platform, there's always some risk involved. And in this case, Deepseek is no exception. They did experience an attack on their servers. So that is at least some indication that there may be some concerns with the security at Deepseek. So I will leave it up to you to decide whether or not you want to use Deepseek as a platform. I'm sure there is a lot that can be said about who is designing Deepseek and what exactly it is that it is offering that's different from other AI platforms. It is a enter at your risk situation. I would say that I will leave up to you whether or not Deepseek is safe. I can confirm that they did just experience a cyber attack. So that's always something that could happen. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.